Hey and welcome to Alt1. In this video we will continue to try to build up account for 1 Bitcoin. We are today going to try a new strategy. The balance start to come up again. We are only going to go for 100. It's micro Bitcoin, but 100 down there. So the robot is still going. You find a link below the video to start get free Bitcoin. I will come back to that after how we get free Bitcoin, all this good stuff after we earn 100. So let's just turn on here now and let's see how we do. And let's hope this time around it's a little better strategy. So let's see. Let's put start. Now this number down there need to go to 100 and then we'll stop. So let's see, we are 50. Okay, not good. We need low in. Now we are in 0. Okay, I can see already a flaw. When we did have a big loss, we did not earn enough. So we need to change this to 25. Let's do that. And let's start again. Now let's see. Now we are in red, we are green. We need a green number around 100. We have 50, 60, 80, 90, 100. There. So this time did work. So basically the settings we are using this time around. We have a little bigger bet because you can't go with the smallest bet when you are using only 25%, because on loose we are only adding 25%. Now our bet odds is 5. That means the chance to win is less, but we are winning more, okay? And you can see we have the take profit here. And this time around I choose to only go high. So you can see we made 100, a little more, 107. This is the new strategy we're going to go for now. I think I did not want to go for 285, that is 10%. I will go a little more careful this time around, just so we are building account and don't explode it right away. At least because we have too little Bitcoin yet. We need a little bigger account before we can start. And I think even then 10% will be a little crazy, so we will be a little more careful this time around so we don't break the account. But by the way, a good try. So that's basically a new setup. Hope will be good. And about the free Bitcoin, below the video also you'll find a link to the first video, so you can see how you can install a robot that can go here, because here you basically have a button. You need to push every 1 hour to get free Bitcoin. Then you can earn one of these things depending on the number that is chosen for you. Most of the time will be this one, of course. But you can get lucky and get one of these. You can even get like 200. I think this will equal to around $200, maybe 250. So have a robot doing that for you every single hour. It's amazing, because if you only get this one there, you are making around $10 a week by doing nothing. And it's free money, so why not? And you can get lucky and get one of these big ones. And as we are adding this into the mix, we are making more. Of course, I'm still working on a safe strategy. Of course, the strategy will be safer and safer the bigger this number is. Of course, I should wait a little longer before I multiply my BTC. But for now, I want to build up completely from 0. Of course, you can deposit, like, for example, like $2 or something small, just so you get a little better number here, and continue doing the same like I do, and build up. Completely up to you. But me personally, I wanted to build up something completely from 0 and to 1 Bitcoin, because that would be something, because I understand not everyone has something to start with. So my idea of like build from 0 to 1, for me that seems amazing. And if I can do that and prove that on my channel, that will be so amazing, because there are so many people around in the world that do not have money to put into these type of things. And this is something that anyone can do because it's completely for free. And it's not to invest anything. That's the amazing part here. So, link below the video if you want to join there. Join here, you have free Bitcoin. It's basically, like I said, free Bitcoin every single hour. And if you want to do like I do, completely up to you. Or if you just want to collect this free Bitcoin every single hour, that's maybe the smartest, then you do that. Because like I said, it's more like a lottery. Every single hour, free lottery you can join, and you can get in between these numbers here. So I will say, and one more thing, don't be scared to keep your Bitcoin here. This site have been around since like 2013, 14, something like that. So this is not a site that is going to go away anytime soon. This is a successful site. Of course they're making money because there are people depositing and playing. I'm not into that. I'm playing with money I have earned for free. So that's a different story, right? It's a different story if you start to deposit. That will be something you need to think about. If you feel you have a strategy that can work, that's up to you. Because I have done this in the past. And I remember I had a good strategy, and I have made more money with multiply BTC than I have lost. I think we can go, let me see if I can find that. I think we need to go to stats, personal stats. Let's see. Here's my personal stats. And as you can see, here you can see as much I have played on the multiply BTC. And you can see that's pretty many rolls. More than 2 million rolls I have done. And here you can see what I have won doing it. Of course, it's not 1 Bitcoin, but it's 0.02. And that's pretty good today. Like, I think Bitcoin today is around, let's say 30,000. It's hovering around there. So if we then take 0.0227 and multiply that with 30,000, I have made $681 from multiply BTC. I have not lost, I have made this. So it's possible, it's completely possible. So that's what I mean, like if you have a good strategy, it's possible to make money with it. But my show here, the thing I'm going to show is how you can do it for free. So like I said, completely up to you if you want to try something else. But in my channel, we'll only be talking about how to do it for free. So with that, have a continued good Sunday, and I hope you have a wonderful day. As you can see in Brazil, it's actually cold, believe it or not. I woke up to like 7 degrees in the morning. Normally in day we go up to like 18, 19 degrees Celsius. But in the apartments keep cold, because we don't have isolations in the wall in Brazil. Even in apartments and things, we don't have isolation. So we keep the cold through all the day, even if it gets warm outside. It takes very long time for the temperature outside to inflect the temperature inside. So if it starts to be warm outside, it will take a long time before the apartment starts to be warm. And does not make sense either to start to warm up an oven or whatever here, because then you get warm, turn it off, 5 minutes, and it's cold again. So does not make sense. So that's why you will see me Norwegians good warm jackets, because yes, I am Norwegian, but I'm living in Brazil. So with that, have a perfect day.